Here I have Motorola Edge 30, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot or the series of photos on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, and when you're in camera just hold down shutter button, and after that the burst shot will start. So let me show you. Just like this, like I take several shots, 15 for example, and here we can see all these shots just like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.